In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get account details on Wise. To begin, open Wise and go to the home page. This is the starting point for everything. And once you're signed in, you'll be able to access the main areas of your account. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the dashboard is fully visible so you can clearly see the available menu options. From the home page, look for the payment section and click on it. This area is where Wise organizes payment-related features, including the currencies and details connected to receiving or sending money. If you're using a desktop browser, this may appear in the main navigation. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to open a menu first before selecting payments. Either way, make sure you've entered the correct section before moving on. Once you're inside payments, find Philippine Peso and click on it. This step is important because Wise shows account-related information based on the specific currency you choose. By selecting Philippine Peso, you're opening the details connected to that currency, which is where you can view the account information you need. Take a moment to review the page after it opens. In many cases, account details are displayed in a format that's easy to copy or reference later, so it's a good idea to read carefully and make sure you're looking at the right currency before sharing or using any information. If you manage multiple currencies in Wise, double-check that Philippine Peso is the one selected, since account details can vary depending on the currency. If you need to use these details for a transfer, billing setup, or payment instructions, be careful to copy them exactly as shown. Even a small mistake in account information can cause delays or failed payments. It can also help to keep the page open while you complete the next task, especially if you need to switch between Wise and another app or website. And that's it. To get account details on Wise, go to the Wise homepage, open payments, and then select Philippine Peso. Once you're there, you can view the relevant account information for that currency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.